Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create your own community in your Amino account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see that I'm already logged in and this is my particular profile's homepage. So to simply create your own community, all you have to do is scroll down and you can see just above recommend stories, there are two of the options. First, to discover more topics, and second, to create your own. Tap on create your own below, discover more topics. You can see that you have various categories for creating your own community. That is first starting with internet friends, real world friends, roleplay, and lots of them. I am going to create a community for this art community. So let me tap on this art community. You can choose your own and then tap on this create option below. You can see that you need to download Amino Community Manager to start your own community. So tap on this Get ACM option. Simply by tapping on it, you are taken to your Play Store where you can install this app known as Amino Community Manager. So tap on install and wait for it to get downloaded and installed. And just by doing it, I'm welcome to ACM and I have more to discover over here. So simply I can tap on start to create my first community. Tap on start. So you can see that I have again the same category to choose. Let me tap on this art community. You can create and tap on your own. So I'm going to tap on this create below. You can do the same. Now I need to name my community. Let me do this. So you can see that I have named my own community as Aesthetics to Live By and even given one sentence to describe my own community by just saying you can find major contents that can soothe your soul and nourish your mind. And when you're done, you can tap on next option on the top right corner. And if I'm sure I want to continue in English, I'm going to tap on continue. If you're not, you can tap on edit and edit your own language. So let me tap on continue. You can do the same. Now I can add my community icon by tapping on this plus icon and allow access for these photos, media and files on my device by tapping on allow. Let me choose one of the image just like this. And you can see that I can zoom in and keep it just like this. When I'm done, I can tap on the stick option on the top right corner of the list. And I can pinch it to adjust it just like this and tap on done option on the top right corner of the list. I can even choose a theme color for my community, and when I'm done, tap on this next option on the top right corner of the screen. If this community is open for joining to everyone, and if approval is required, you can tap on approval required, and if it's private, you can tap on users can only join the invitation you send out. So let me tap on approval required and tap on this next option on the top right corner of the list. You can see that there are terms and agreement, and if you agree with the terms and agreement, you can tap on agree and create below. So you can see that your creation request is being submitted, so wait for it. And yes, you have been given congratulations. That means our community is all set and it has been created. So I can invite some of my more friends to join by tapping on invite friends. So the next step is to add a cover image, complete your theme and all this, and after this you can simply tap on invite members and get all over started. So this is how you do it. This is how you create the community on your Amino account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.